Hello guys! For today's lesson, we will discuss about quadratic equations. Okay, I'm going to discuss with you in two ways. Number one, of course, by manual computation, and the second one is by using the calculator. Okay, let's go. So the first question, we have x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 equals 0. Alright. You will notice that the given quadratic equation is already in factored form. All you have to do is equate each factor to 0. So, how will you do that? So, we have x plus 3 equals 0. Then the other factors will be 2x minus 1 equals 0. And then, to find the value of x, all you have to do is transpose positive 3. Then, x is equals to negative 3. By the way, class, if you are going to transpose, you change the sign. Alright? How about the other one? 2x minus 1 equals 0. So, transpose negative 1, going from left to right. And then, the equation will be 2x equals 1. Then, to find the value of x, all you have to do is divide both sides by 2. Then, x is equals to 1 over 2. So therefore, the solutions are negative 3 and 1 half. Okay? Example number 2. So we have 9x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, how will you solve it? You will notice that the two terms are difference of 2 squared. It means the first term is a perfect square, then at the same time also the second term is also a perfect square. Now, if we will use factoring, you're going to write two parentheses here. Then find the possible factors of 9x squared. So the factors of 9x squared, we have 3x and then 3x. Why? Because if we will multiply 3x times 3x, the answer is 9x squared. Then the second term we have 4. So possible factors of 4 are 2 and 2. Now, to write the operation, we will write here plus and minus, or vice versa. You can write here minus, subtraction, then here is addition. Okay? So that when you multiply positive 2 times negative 2, the answer is negative 4. So, the operations we're using is positive and negative, difference of 2 squared. Alright, now, since we have two factors, we will equate this to 0. So we have 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then we have 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then, after that, we will transpose 2. So we have 3x equals negative 2. Then divide both sides by 3. Then cancel this because 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So that's the reason why we cancel that. Then x is equals to negative 2 over 3. So this is now the first solution. Then the second solution, we have 3x minus 2 equals 0. So transpose negative 2, we have 3x equals positive 2. Then divide both sides by 3. Then x is equals to 2 over 3. So therefore, the solutions are negative 2/3 and positive 2/3.
Go.
Question number 3. So let's have this example. X squared minus 27 is equals to 6x. Okay, look at the given quadratic equation. So you will notice that the quadratic equation is not properly arranged. So all we have to do is, we are going to write it in standard form. So we have now x squared minus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. So this time, I will introduce to you, or I will teach you how to use the scientific calculator in solving quadratic equation. So you are going to use this calculator, FX991ES+. So this is the brand of the calculator. So this calculator can solve quadratic equation. Now, in this given quadratic equation, x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0, we are going to find first the answer. How to find the answer? Using this calculator. Okay. So first thing to do is just press on and then press the mode, M-O-D-E. So here. And then after that, there are 8 functions. So just look at the letters EQN. So EQN means equation. So that's the number beside that is 5. So just press 5. Then there are 4 equations. Then in the 4 equations, just look at the standard form of quadratic equation. So that is number 3. So just press number 3. Then in the calculator, there is the letters A, B, C. So let's go back here. X squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. So let us know the value of A. A equals 1. There's an invisible one here. B equals negative 6. Then C equals negative 27. Now, using your calculator, so just type or press the number 1. 1 equals. Just follow my instruction. Then negative 6 equals. And then the last one is negative 27 equals. So we have negative 27 equals. Then after that, press equals again. So that will be the first answer. So we have now x equals 9. So we have x equals 9. So this is the first solution. Then again, press the next one. We have x equals negative 3. So we have x equals negative 3. Now, the problem is the solution, the process. So you have the answer, we have the given question, then the answer. To write the solution is like this. Transpose 9, so it will become x minus 9 equals 0. Then transpose negative 3 from right to left, so we have now x plus 3 equals 0. So there are 2 zeros. Now, we will combine it as 1, 0. So we have equals 0 here. Then since the method is factoring, all you have to do is just write 2 parentheses. So copy this one, x minus 9, then copy this one, x plus 3. So this is now your complete solution. Alright? Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day to all of you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.